This is the Algo Futures Trader weekly market roundup, and just taking a look at some of the trades from the past week here that we took in the trading room. We've been focusing on the M2K, and the reason being is on the opening morning breakout, it has been performing best. And we know that because we keep stats on all these things. So if you come to alphawebtrader.com, under stats here, you can see all the stats from the different systems. The opening morning breakout, our opening morning breakout with a gap filter. Some of these are real money accounts. Some of these are sim accounts, which you can go through. We create little mini funds, and you can kind of go through those. But anyway, so we recognize that the M2K was in a better cycle than the other markets. The Dow has been a really poor cycle. M2K is in a good cycle. So I've been focused on M2K, and it's worked pretty well. I don't think we had any losing trades in the room this week. So here was Monday's trade. Again, this is an opening morning breakout strategy. This blue shaded area here is the no trade zone. And we're looking for the market to break out of that zone, either above or below. So it did initially break below, and that did get some fall through, but we ignored the short side, stuck with the long side. Got in here, you can see the signals are generated below here, and caught the second one there, and took two contracts off, and then a third target there on Monday. And then Tuesday, this was a breakout, obviously to the upside. You see the signals generated here. I got the second signal. Looks like I was a little, actually, kind of in between there. And the reason being is, at the moment, this is you execute the trade manually, and then the software can fully manage the trade from there. The full automation, where the buys and sells are executed automatically, is coming for NinjaTrader 8. We just haven't inputted that yet, or turned that part of the system on yet. So we're manually executing the trades, and then I manage them, or the software can manage them, 100% from there. So this was a nice breakout here to the upside, two contracts off, and then a target on the last. And that was Tuesday's action. And then Wednesday here, ignored the break to the long side here, waited for the short breakdown, get the target here into support. And then this would be Thursday's action. Again, ignored the short signal. I think we traded in the direction of the gap fill here. The buy signal here, I got in a little late, so my target on these was a little smaller, but that happens when you're manually executing the trades. And then Friday, I didn't get into anything Friday. Numbers it was a little too choppy here, and then the news came out, and it did end up getting a breakout to the downside, actually with 3 signals there, but this one actually played out pretty well. And then you can see here Sunday evening here, we've just broken out to the downside here Sunday evening, pulling back. We'll see what Monday brings. But anyway, this can be downloaded for free. You can use this as long as you want in sim mode. The links are below. You can use this to qualify for funding. And if you pass the challenge, you want to go live, trade real money, then you can purchase a license or lease it. The links also to the Discord server, where we do the trading room starting at 9 a.m. Monday through Friday. Those are below. That's free. Just kind of see how we put things together in the morning, pick a market and a direction, and just try to get a breakout, get 2 contracts off, have a third runner. It works pretty well for us. So might give you some good ideas, fresh perspective, whatever the case might be. So join us, and we'll see you again next week.